Question 5 reads, what are the slope and y-intercept of the graph in the xy plane of the equation 5x plus 4y plus 3 equals 0? What I'm immediately seeing is that this is a linear equation, and it may be hard to identify that in the first glance. And the reason why it may be difficult is because it's not in our usual form, which is y equals mx plus b or c, depending on where you are in the world. This is called the slope intercept form. Okay, this form right here is a little less common, and it's called the general form. And the way you can answer this question is, or the way I would answer this question is convert this linear equation into the slope intercept form. And that just makes it easier because you can identify the slope, which is m, and the y-intercept b, and that's what the question is asking for. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna convert this into this y equals mx plus b form. And so if I rewrite 5x plus 4y plus 3 equals 0, well, we know that the y should be alone, right? Yeah, in the slope intercept form, and so y should be alone here as well. And so I'm going to bring this this 5x and this 3 to the right hand side, and I can do that by subtracting it from both sides, right? And so minus 5x here and minus 3 here, and so that becomes 4y equals minus 5x minus 3, right? And now I can divide both sides by 4. And so if I divide, it's going to be here and then here. And so that just leaves me with y. And so now we are in 4x minus 3 over 4. Right, so now we're in the slope intercept form, and we can easily identify our slope and y-intercept. This right here is going to be our slope, right? Because that is our m. And this right here is going to be our y-intercept, okay? Or it's going to be the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. I say that quite often, but people, I hope you can assume that what I mean by this is really the y-intercept is 0 comma minus 3 over 4, because whenever we have a y-intercept, that means x is equal to 0, right? And so our answer that matches up with this is going to be A. The slope is minus 5 over 4, and the y-intercept is 0 comma minus 3 over 4.